Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host Alex Morin, and I am always finding the most revolutionary products for you. And today, the product I am picking is a pen from Kustom Promos. Alex, why are you showing me a pen? I know everything about pens. Because this one is revolutionary. It is called the PS2135, also known as the Tuscany model. And if you've ever been to Italy or know something about Italy, Tuscany is a region that's a region unto itself. It's got its own flavor. It's known for beautiful rolling hills, vineyards, Chianti, culture. Oh my gosh, what's not to love about Tuscany? Well, you see, what they've done at Kustom Promos is they've mimicked that beautiful rolling landscape and put these slight undulations right into the pen to make it look really attractive. Oh, I love the look of this pen. Now, in addition to that, it also has twist action, meaning that every time I twist it, I can hide the ink or I can put it away. It's also got a beautifully comfortable rubberized grip on here, lovely metal accents from the clip to the tip to the middle. The thing looks unbelievable, but Alex, it's not revolutionary. Okay, well, how about this? If we take the top off, we have three different color highlighters built into the top of this pen. I've never seen that before. Rotate it and you can highlight all your material in yellow. Rotate it a little bit more, it can be in orange. Rotate it again and it can be in red. I love this. Kustom Promos is a company that imports only, meaning that you can change the color of the highlighters to your liking. Do you want them to be blue and green and yellow? Yes, we can do that. Purple, yellow, and red. Yes, that can be done as well. No problem whatsoever. Minimum order quantity, 5,000 units. Thanks for asking. How long is it going to take, Alex, to deliver these? 6 weeks. Thanks for asking. I love this pen. It is so cool, it is so original, and only at Kustom Promos. Check them out, kustompromos.com, Kustom with a K. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved this idea. I'm Alex from Promonoise. Check us out at www.promonoise.com. Subscribe to this channel, like this video if you loved this idea, and hey, let's keep on making beautiful noise together. I'll see you at the next product review.